Hi friends, I just wanted to hop on here to show you how to go on to Splash Learn. So you're going to go type in splashlearn.com. Splashlearn.com. And you will sign in. You're playing Splash Learn. We're going to say that you're playing with a class. Then you're going to enter our code. Our class code is on the first page of your assignment. It's right here, MEAQOG. MEAQOG. Then you're just going to select your profile, and then you will, I'm going to do Anthony's, for example, and then Anthony would pick his password, and then that's how you will get into your account. Okay? If you have any questions, please let me know.